So I got one bull call of SPY and one short call of DLTR. So let's go. Let's get at it. So first off, we're gonna hit SPY, and long-term chart shows me I got my red line here is the resistance for the long term. Green line is the support for long term. Then we got the weekly. That's my yellow resistance line for the weekly. My blue support line for the weekly. All right, that's all I do. I will also take you to the day just to show you what's going on with the day, the week, and the month. All right, so let's get at it. Here's the day. You can see we're overextended here, and that shows me that that just went straight up with inflation since inflation started. You can see what happened here. We got overextended. We hit a resistance line here, came back down, and then flew through resistance. I could see that we're most likely at the top here with Trump in office. Inflation should start going down, which means prices will start going down. So if prices start going down, I would say that SPY should, first of all, hopefully bounce at this resistance line, which I wouldn't take any calls here. I would not get out my shorts here. I'm getting in short today at 600, and I'm expecting us to hit minimum of my blue weekly chart here is going to show me around 530-ish. I believe it was that I was looking at, but we'll get there. So yeah, that's my call. You can see the volume here went up, hit resistance, and with this extended move, volume's going down, but we got this extension showing me that we're probably overextended here. Volume's not going up with price, so which should happen. We blew through the resistance line, and volume been going down ever since. So that would tell me that we're about to start going down. So let's look at the weekly and see where we're at there. Here we go with the weekly chart. If you can see it hit the resistance, bounce back up. Resistance here in August of 24. Then we bounced up, hit a weekly support line, bounced up, volume going down on this last bounce here. And volume should continue to go down and price should continue to go down. Might get a little bounce here in the 580s, but I don't see it surpassing any more highs here. I mean, it could happen, of course. No one's 100% accurate with stock, so it could happen. I just don't believe it. This is like a double top here. I don't see it happening. Because I believe it's gonna come down, hit this resistance, monthly resistance line at 530, which I was saying earlier. If you can see here, it's 530. And I really believe that 530 will be a nice bounce. And I still don't see it going up past 600s again. 610, what was the high here? 613. I don't see it getting past 613 again. But of course, I could be wrong. But I think it'll hit 530s, give you a nice bounce, and then go back down to support here. I'm going to get out here at 530 because, I'm comfortable with that. And then I'll see what happens in the 500 range, see what's happening with support, and then volume. And if it goes past down through 490s, I'm going to go short again until we hit the 300s. So that's my plan for SPY. Right now I'm looking for 530. I got in at 600 on the short, SPXS. I don't use options. I go straight with SPXS, as that to me is the safest way to short the SPY. Less risky. I'm all about less risk, high reward. And this to me is a nice less risk play, low risk play, high reward play. Like again, that's from 600 to 530-ish. I'll get out and then see what's happening there. That's my call for SPY. Let's look at the daily just for giggles. And the daily, of course, you can see it's a nice double top here. Okay, you can maybe even call it triple top. 1, 2, 3, triple top. As we're getting new highs, our volume is going down. From this high over here, this is the first high. This is just a consolidation of this next high here, which volume has been going down since here. This is the volume. Now this next high here is lower than this volume high. So you can see a downtrend. I could draw a line just so you guys know what I'm talking about. And please, you guys, please like this video, subscribe. I'm new to YouTube. I'm gonna be shooting out videos at least once a week here to give my take on what's going on. But there you go. That's the volume resistance line there, and it's following the trend. And with that correlation of that going down, this one, the price going up, it just shows me that it's not lining up right, and we're about to start going down some more. And that's my call. That's my call on SPY. Thank you for checking that out. Let's go to Dollar Tree. That's where I see a nice bull call here with Dollar Tree. We'll go see the full view on the monthly chart. There's my mega horn pattern here, looks like. And I got resistance up here. You can see a hit a high, past resistance, which happens. Take out liquidity up here, get everybody in, get everybody hyped to keep buying in, and then it takes you down. Look at that, nice volume. This upper call here, look, it's been volume was at peak here, and price been going up, and volume been going down. And then look how fast it went down after that. Took everybody out. Now that everyone thinks that it's gone, volume is low. It's at the zero line, past the zero line here. It could keep going down, of course, but my call is that it's at support at $75, and we're gonna get a nice big jump here in the next couple of years to hopefully hit 140, 130, 140 range. That's the center of this mega horn pattern here, megaphone pattern, sorry. 140, 130, 140. I'll be out at 130. I'll be happy with that from 75 to 130 within a couple years. To me, that's a good play. It might even be faster than that. You just never know. So, but if we get down through 68, I would take half off. If we get through 61, I'll take the rest off and just wait. We break 60 and forget about our way until it hits back up above support here. So that's my call on Dollar Tree. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly, everyone's hurting for money right now, so people are looking to save, and Dollar Tree is the place to save. So that's my call on Dollar Tree. I really believe that we're at support. We're right at support here. We haven't really closed that many days above support, just once here, I believe. In December, right before Christmas, we closed above it, and then we've just been playing inside this zone here. But I really believe 75 is the key. We closed above it today, and I think that we're just gonna shoot up from here. Yesterday Friday made a big move to about $80, but it didn't hold. So I just think that right now it's about to keep going up here. So Dollar Tree is my bull call. SPY is my bear call. I got SPY to go down, Dollar Tree to go up. Let's see what happens. Please like this channel, subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Poppy Trades, Poppy J Trades on TikTok. That's Poppy J Trades, PAPIJAYTRADES on TikTok. You can follow me on YouTube here. And this is my first real video. I plan to bring out a weekly update on these two tickers. And if you guys want me to check out some more tickers for you, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to go over some tickers with you guys. I'm pretty good at this. I called Wingstop to go down when it was at its high last year, I believe it was at 4 something. I was calling for it to go down on StockTwits, and then that's what happened. Wingstop